Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the pillow package of the Python through which you can convert your background um, and you can fix your picture on that background by using just 5 line of pillow package of Python. So let's begin it and do the work in PyCharm. For that you require the Python software and the PyCharm where you can edit your program. For that you require some pictures which you can use. This is a Dev Deepavali. As you know, today is a Dev Deepavali and Modi is going to Varanasi to light the diya, and then you can change different background as you wish. You can go several places and you require the Modi ji picture to fix on the Dev Deepavali, and how you will change the picture background I will tell you, and then you have to show the different picture overlapping each other so the background will change. For that, first of all, you have to uh, install the package below. Here you write pip install pillow, then it will install your pillow package. Then you write from pill is for pillow package, and in a short form, then import image, then write me image open odn.jpg. Up here, first of all, I will take only Modi ji, which is with the background of different uh, color, and then I will show the picture of Modi ji, and you can see it. This is the original picture which I have taken of Modi ji. Then now you have to remove the background of this picture. For that you require a online removal in Pixo. I am using this online in pixo.com tool remove background edit. Just see, I have removed the background of Modi ji. So now take the old picture and remove the background of Modi ji. So this is the picture in Pixa. I will choose the picture photo. Here you have two brushes, one for to keep the information and one for to remove the information. You can increase or decrease the brush size, and feather, just remove the feather, otherwise it is not clear. Come, so the take the keep one. Here you choose the original picture. I am taking this picture. Okay, then go to the folder and copy it, otherwise it will go copy here, and then go to the site where you want to remove. Just take this, keep one, and select the Modi ji which you want to take in your picture. I am just doing it reverse way. First of all, I have taken the background. I have selected the background to remove this one, and and apply it. Just see, there is the information remove, but I don't want this way, so undo it. Now this time I will take remove option and remove allow this information to remove the black color or background of the Modi ji. For that I have to select all those color which are in background, so it will remove from this picture. So take all the color which you want to remove, then apply. It will remove the information. Just see some information gone which is required. So select it again and apply. It will create the proper figure, and if you want to remove this brown, then select it and apply it. The perfect picture came. So now save this picture, save your photo, then you will get the photo. So now proceed the procedure. Here you will see the Modi ji picture, and now you have done this, and you get this information in a download. So go there, show in folder. You can take this picture one by one. So you can take this one. I have already taken this one, so need not to take again. Now come to the point and open the pie chart, and now change the background. Here I have taken the background Dev Deepavali and want to show it. So me is for Modi ji, and BG is for background, which is a Dev N. I have taken this one. Then BG paste me 00 is the coordinate position of the picture. Then me, and then me show. Now you see. Here I have to take Modi ji new because I have removed the background. So when you say, then it will show you. Here you have written me. So with background, if you want to show, then you have to write BG. Then it will show you a picture with Modi ji. So this way you can remove the background of the picture, and then if you want this to save in any file, then you say file name, right here the file name. You can also save the picture. Now here you will get the new picture. Just see Modi ji new. Yeah, this one. You will get the picture, this one. So you can save your picture by using the Python, and suppose you want to change the background. Now this time I will take, or you want to change the figure, so you can take my picture. I have removed the background of this picture. So take here Ratan, and you can make a new picture. Just see. But here the position is different. First of all, you take but the position is different. Here you have to write Dev Ratan. Now change the position. From left you take 10, and from top you can take 70 or 50, whatever you want, and then press run. This will shift your figure down, and if you want to shift it on right, then do it here and do 50. Now run it. You will get the picture at the middle of your background and can save you. So this way you can change a different position. Suppose more you want to shift right and more you want to shift down, then X and change the X and Y position and you will get the picture properly. Now this is proper picture because you can see left and right on both sides. So today is the day of Deepavali and Modiji is going to Varanasi to inaugurate and light the candles and the diyas. So you must see the live from Varanasi today, and this is the way you can stack your picture one to another, and you can change. Here I have changed my uh, photo. Now instead of Dev Deepavali you can write a background forest 1. Now this time I don't want to save the background. Yeah, right here for 1, forest 1, and run it. This will show you a picture. Now you want to shift it down. So how you will shift? On upper you write 100, vertical position you have to change. So this way when I am showing you, you can understand. This is the way to change the position. More you want to shift down, then increase the vertical position. And now this is the proper way to show you the picture. Now I have changed the background and save by forest 1, 2. Now again you can change by background by using another one, and here you can save it by another name and you can run it. This time it will come with a different figure. So this way you can change the different figures background from your picture, and you can change the background of your picture by using the Python command. But it is remember that always take the same size of picture and save it. So this is all to today viewers. Please share and subscribe if you like it, and please learn more Python programs. I will send you by the way of video in YouTube. Thank you.